audience. Your redemption is that you should leave no stone unturned to describe, define, to explain, to elaborate the point, topic, and idea. If you are leaving no stone unturned from your own side, definitely you can reach at your destination, your goal, your dream. Then automatically you realize that how are we enjoying, how are we making fun, because it's also one kind of kala. के अंदर दोस्त कितना voltage power है, how much voltage actually you have power inside your body, then you can make your fan follower, you can persuade, you can deliver lecture before 1,000 million and trillion people. Okay, that is why I always prioritize on your energy, confidence, on your voltage. Okay, so generate, engender more than 200 voltage power inside your body, ladies and gentlemen, while connecting, while delivering, addressing the people, audience. A beautiful, stunning good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once more we are going to welcome, congratulate everyone. One of the most viable, crucial, pivotal, significant session and show. Here we are going to practice. This is the practice session, guys. Hope that you are going to explore, you are going to learn, gain, achieve lots of things, because in this session actually, guys, we provide you lots of tips and technique. How can you speak, how can you make your practice better here. Okay, so here actually, guys, the very first, my first priority is that here, whenever we attend, participate in the classes, it's also my highly plea for everyone who are brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, countrymen, guys, you should keep motivate yourself. You should keep highly inquisitive. You must have curiosity, excitement, enthusiasm yourself. Each and every fleeting, ephemeral, you should keep motivated yourself, because each and every time crisis come in your life. Okay, so this is one kind of motivational class, guys. Here exactly we should try to create outcry. Definitely, guys, you will be shocked, amazed, tremble, shiver just by getting my point. Here we should stimulate you. It's my first priority, ladies and gentlemen, because to speak, to deliver the lecture, to face 1,000 and million of the people, the things which is really tiny, smallest, we must have, it's your confidence level, it's your energy and power, enthusiasm, कि आपके अंदर दोस्त कितना voltage power है, how much voltage actually you have power inside your body, then you can make your fan follower, you can persuade, you can deliver lecture before 1,000 million and trillion people. Okay, that is why I always prioritize on your energy, confidence, on your voltage. Okay, so generate, engender more than 200 voltage power inside your body, ladies and gentlemen, while connecting, while delivering, addressing the people, audience. Then you look just like a right sun. Okay,
Okay.
are you noticing my point?
Yes, sir.
Here actually we have guys two Babu in my video. Okay, there is also Prince and Utkarsh. So in this video guys, I am stimulating you, I am making you get ready for delivering the speech. So my secondly is that whatever point you have you have chosen. What is your point? What is your idea? You should try to do. You should try to perform right successfully these kind of operation. Okay? Yes. Because whatever point we have chosen, we have selected, it's our first priority that we should try to elaborate, express, define, describe in a proper, clear, highly crystal clear, unambiguous, unequivocally your point should be. Your delivery should go in a proper sequence. Then people, they can understand, they can actually realize, they can compel to things to be your fan follower. All right. Yes. So always you should describe your point. How can you describe? This is coach and curating arising here guys. By going the depth of that particular topic and point, we can get interest, we can go. Means we can dive right in the ocean of the education, in the depth of the point and topic. If we are diving, right, if we are going depth of that particular point and topic, then we have lots of point, we have energy, we have enthusiasm, we have everything, whatever we want, whatever we like. So realize. So you should try to go depth of that particular topic. How? By utilizing your entire force. If you are making your entire effort and pain, you are utilizing your mind here, then you can go after that. You can make everything better. Okay? Alright. Are you getting guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
So guys, once more, your redemption is that you should leave no stone unturned to describe, define, to explain, to elaborate the point, topic and idea. If you are leaving no stone unturned from your own side, definitely you can reach at your destination, your goal, your dream. Then automatically you realize that how are we enjoying, how are we making fun, because it's also one kind of kala and art. Okay. So guys, this is your second point. First point is that you should generate more than 200 voltage current inside your body while connecting the people 1,000. Because why am I saying that? Because you have to engender current more than 1,000 million and trillion people. Voltage. Means your speech should go, your speech should impress, all right?
Yes.
Impress, shiver. Your speech should revolutionize everyone who are sitting before you. How can you do this? If you have energetic ना, अगर आपके अंदर पावर रहेगी तभी तो आप 2000 लोगों को पावर दे पाओगे.
Yes sir.
नहीं पावर रहेगी तो कैसे दे पाओगे?
Yes sir.
होगी?
Yes sir.
Okay. while speaking, while communicating, while delivering lecture publicly, you should be like a transformer, because you have to light, you have to enlighten